Hello everyone, welcome to Sibel's World Kitchen. In this video, I would like to show you how to make homemade yogurt. But before that, if you visit my channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel and press the bell to get notification for my new videos. Also, check out my previous videos. Thank you. So, let's start the recipes now. Making yogurt at home is easier than that you think. If you search yogurt recipes, you will find lots of different ways to make homemade yogurt. I'll show you most easy and traditional way to make yogurt at home that I used. So, first step, what do I need to make yogurt? All you need 3 liter full cream milk and about a half a cup of natural yogurt. If you can access the raw milk, is the best and healthy way to make yogurt. If you can't, and if you live in Australia, for the best result I recommend you to use Coles brand full cream milk. Is the best to make homemade yogurt that I'm going to use now. For the yogurt, very first time you can buy Greek yogurt or any brand regular yogurt that your favorite at the shop for the starter. Make sure you use plain unflavored natural yogurt. Step 2, I'm going to transfer milk in the pot. Put your milk in a stainless steel pan on the stove and heat over medium-low heat until it's bubbling. Stir often so it doesn't get stuck onto the bottom. When milk starts boiling, reduce the heat low. Then let it 5 more minutes boiled. Make sure keep stir. Then after 5 minutes, turn off the heat. When you turn off the stove, pour your milk into a porcelain cup like this one, or glass pot, or in a jar, that's your choice. So when we transfer the milk in the other pot, milk needs to cool down. So you can do this by either putting in the milk in the cool water bath or just letting it sit until it's cooled down, but make sure keeping a really good eye on it. Once the milk temperature drop off, we can continue the process. When the milk cool down, stick your finger in it, but it's still pretty hot. You can feel it. Or checking the temperature by using thermometer. Once the milk temperature drop off and reach between 42 to 45 degrees, which is right now, as you can see, So add 2 or 3 tablespoons of milk into half cup of pre-made yogurt and mixed like this. Then pour into the milk and stir lightly like this. Then stir lightly. Okay. After this, put the lids on. Then cover the pot with the towel or any cloth that you're using in the kitchen. So we can keep it warm like this. Once you covered your milk with the cloth, keep on the same spot, don't move, and keep it warm. So rest like this 5 to 6 hours. It's been 6 hours. Now I'm going to remove the cloth. As you can see, now is turn to the yogurt, but still it's warm. So I'm going to put my yogurt in the fridge until the yogurt is cold and set. For the best result, chill in the fridge overnight, and tomorrow you can eat your delicious yogurt. Finally, homemade yogurt ready to eat. Let's see how it looks like. As you can see, everyone, looks delicious and creamy. Okay. I hope this video is helpful and everyone enjoy watching my video. Thank you for watching my video, everyone. So make sure subscribe my channel, press the bell and thumbs up. See you next time. And place it in a bowl which is ready to be served. First step, I'm going to make a baklava syrup.